The drive to the RN residence wound through rolling hills, the glint of the vast dam catching the afternoon sun. It was a place where weekends stretched into sun-drenched days, a haven for the couple, their children, and the inevitable rush of grandchildren. The existing house, huddled too close to the waterline, felt cramped, its potential squandered. Jacobsen Arquitetura, however, saw beyond the immediate. Their initial site visits were less about the existing structure and more about the land itself, the subtle whispers of its topography, and the breathtaking panorama the dam offered. They sought not just a house, but an experience, a seamless blend of architecture and the raw beauty of the natural world. The pivotal moment came with the discovery of the majestic Vinhático tree, its leafy canopy a verdant crown at the rear of the property. This wasn't merely a tree, it was the heart of the envisioned home. They realized that by retreating from the water's edge and elevating the residence, they could unlock a wider, unobstructed view of the dam. The tree dictated the layout, becoming the central point around which the house would unfurl. A large, flat, landscaped area, defined by the tree's root level, was created, forming a central courtyard. The ground floor, a sprawling, asymmetric plan, wrapped around this courtyard, with rooms and balconies framing it on three sides, and the bedrooms forming the rear boundary. This spatial arrangement ensured every room enjoyed a sweeping view of the vibrant outdoor space. Beneath the Vinhático's canopy, a wooden deck was crafted, a natural bridge connecting the house to the garden. It was a space for contemplation, for shared meals, for the simple joy of being immersed in nature. The service areas, discreetly positioned alongside the car access, were designed with practicality in mind. Pivoting doors opened into an entrance hall, where a garden of iron or stones paid homage to the region's mining heritage, a subtle nod to the local character. This attention to detail, this weaving of local identity into the architecture, became a hallmark of the residence. The architectural language of the RN residence drew inspiration from the traditional Brazilian farmhouse. Granite, both in stone walls and social area floors, evoked a sense of rustic solidity. Frejo wood, applied to the ceilings and bedroom hollow panels, brought warmth and texture. The wood played a central role, allowing for the creation of a contemporary spatial concept that blurred the lines between inside and out. Filtered natural light danced through the wooden structures, creating an ethereal atmosphere, while also providing a perfect backdrop for the family's art collection and carefully chosen furniture. The RN residence was more than just a house, it was a testament to the power of thoughtful design. It was a place where nature and architecture intertwined, where the whisper of the wind through the Vinhático's leaves mingled with the laughter of grandchildren. It was a sanctuary, a place where memories were made, where weekends and vacations were transformed into moments of pure, unadulterated joy, all framed by the serene beauty of the dam and the enduring presence of the grand tree.